Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling geolocation in Sketchup. Open Window, Model Info, then Geolocation and turn it on. Once done, sign into Trimble or the connected map service if prompted so you can fetch map imagery. Next, use Add Location and type an address or drag the map to the area you need, zooming to the precision required. Make sure to select a rectangular capture around your site before importing. This creates an accurate terrain snapshot you can place directly into your model. After you import the selected location, Sketchup brings in both the aerial image and terrain where available. You should see a draped image on a terrain mesh. You now scale and orient that import to match your project. Use tape measure to set a known dimension and rotate to align north or project axes. Once aligned, group or lock the imported geometry and create a separate layer so edits to your model don't accidentally move the geolocated base. Finish by verifying coordinates and the north orientation in Model Info, and adjust the elevation offset if the terrain sits too high or low relative to your model. Use window shadows to confirm sun paths match expected behavior for the location and time. If imagery looks displaced, re-import a smaller section or clear the cache and try again. Sometimes map tiles shift. If errors persist, toggle between map providers or manually nudge the mesh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.